So hi guys, so welcome back ulit sa aking channel. This is LC Tutorials and ang video natin today ay i-install natin ang Edgeroom A7 port version 6 at saka i-root na natin ang ROM na ito using the Mages version 21. Although marami nang nag-upload or there is some uploader na nag-upload ng Edgeroom A7 port version 6, pero try na natin dito sa ating channel because meron din namang nagre-request kung ng tutorial about sa ROM na iyon, kung paano i-install sa ating phone which is G7. So itong phone na to ay G7 Prime at ang model niya ay SMG610Y. SMG610Y po ang model ng phone na ito. So this ROM is available sa lahat ng G610 series, just for example the F, the M, and also meron ding, I don't know if merong X, I think. Yeah. So before we get into the tutorials or the steps, guys, make sure you like this video. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe into my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a new transfer ang lahat ng files na kailangan sa ROM na ito. Tingnan lang natin kung na-transfer. yung SIM card. And only one SIM card I inserted in this phone. So, isa lang yung nakikita natin dyan. And also the Wi-Fi, the battery. Unlike sa Edge room na Android 11, which is wala yung built-in na camera doon kasi error, kasi meron daw bugs. And yeah, and try natin yung sound kung working ba dito sa room na to, guys. Volume. Oh, ang lakas ng sound. Punta naman tayo sa about phone. Napaka-smooth talaga ng scrolling, guys. Look, tingnan niyo. Punta tayo sa about phone. Tingnan natin. Base sa Galaxy S7 2018 pala itong room na ito. And then, software. One UI 2.0, tapos Android 10 siya, guys. Android 10, yan. Android 10 na siya. And then, yung kernel niya is simple kernel version 1. Ayan. Battery information, 3,000. Okay naman yung description ng battery, which is 3,300 mAh. And then, yeah, ito po yung mga features na nasa quick settings. Quick settings man tawag dito. Yung sa notification panel. Yung ganun. Quick settings siguro. There you go. Mayroong VoLTE, Wi-Fi, mobile data. I-try natin tong blue light filter, guys, kung working ba siya or hindi. Yeah, hindi talaga working. into my channel and turn on the notification bell, guys. Thank you so much, and to all my viewers there and my subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng oras niyo sa panonood sa masasabi ko talagang walang kwentang video to, So ayan guys, nag-installing na po yung app. Tapos hintayin na natin na siyang matapos, and then i-open na lang. Yes, here you go, natapos na. I-open natin yung root checker, guys, para i-check yung phone natin kung rooted ba talaga siya. So get started, tapos i-click nyo lang yung verify root. Ayan, nag-process na po siya. And then pag merong ganito, which means successful yung pag-root natin, guys, i-grant na lang natin. Ayan, congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. So ayan, makikita din yung Android version na 10. And one more thing, guys, the ROM is really fast, smooth. Ayan, makikita natin talaga. Pati rin sa scrolling speed, oh my goodness. This is the, parang ito yata yung ROM na pinaka mabilis na nasubukan ko, which is mga port rooms. Like parang GSI siya, guys. Sobrang bilis niya. Ayan. And then also nadidetect din niya yung SD card. So yan lang po, guys, for today's video. Hope you like it, and don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a new video. See you next video, guys. Have a good day. Bye.